my name is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the Logic Trace Easy Layout software program. Frequently in the CNC and CAD industries, after somebody has digitized a pattern or several patterns, they then want to cut out multiple copies of a part, or they may want to group several parts together and cut them all out at one time. This software program makes that process very easy. After I've digitized my part and saved them as files, I start the Logic Trace software, I click the start button, and then I just load the file. Load new file. I have a sample file here, and it will display that file on that part on the screen. On the left here, I give it the size of the sheet, the width and the height, 4 foot by 8 foot or whatever I want, what the outside edges are and any inside margins. And then I come in and I tell it how many of those parts I want. For my first example, I'm going to do a full sheet. I just click the Add Full, and it puts that one part all the way into the sheet automatically. And then I just come in to click Save DXF, and I give it the name of the file I want. I'm going to call it Easy1, and then I click Save, and it has saved a DXF file for loading into my CNC or my CAD software. It is that easy to do the layouts. In my second example, what I'm going to have is I'm going to do several parts on one sheet. I've got that first part, I'm going to add a whole row of that. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to load a second file, and I'll show it to me on the screen there. And then I'm going to add a row of that, and let's go ahead and add another row. Then going to add another file, and this time what I'm going to do is I need 20 of those. So I'm going to come in here, add number, and I'm going to add 20 of those. And it puts it right into that sheet. I make whatever changes I want to that full sheet. I click Save DXF. I give it a name. I call Easy2. And then click Save. And it saves that DXF file all ready for loading into my CNC software or my CAD software. The other thing that the software can do is it can resize parts and it can rotate parts. So I'm going to come back in, load that first part that we had, and I'm going to add a whole row of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger. I want it to be 50% bigger. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to add a row of that. And then I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it to 200%. Click OK. I'm going to add a row there. And then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to add a row. I'm going to add a row, add a row. And then I'm going to come in here to Save DXF. And I'm going to call this Easy 3. And then I click Save. So with this software program, it is very easy to be able to arrange parts and multiple parts on a sheet for cutting out with a CNC machine or printing out with a printer or plotter. My name is John Walsh. If you have more questions about this product, please contact me at www.logicgroup.com. Thank you.